Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 15 Beta 5 is out now. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15 Beta 5 on iPhone. You can install this software in iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch Safari browser and search for betaprofiles.com and tap on first link. After loading the page, scroll. Under iOS 15 download, we will see iOS beta profile. iOS 15 beta 5 is available and we have to tap on install profile. Now tap on install anyways, and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in Cydia app if you want to install it. Tap close. Now we have to go to settings. Profile downloaded. iOS 15 beta software profile, tap install. Put iPhone passcode. Tap install and install again. If you want to restart your iPhone, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now and tap done. Now force close the setting app. Go back to settings, general, software update. Here we go. iOS 15 Developer Beta 5 is ready to download and install in your iOS device. Now we have to just tap download and install to get iOS 15 Developer Beta 5. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.